Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be going over the Shopify Editor and adding our first products. We are going to be making a clothing store, so products will be related to the clothing industry. Most of the pictures and media I will be getting here will be from Envato Elements. If you're interested, I will have a link in the description if you wish to check them out. I do not own any of these images, this is just for educational purposes only. Let's get started. We will pick up where we left off from our last video. This is the Shopify Editor. This is where you can add media and change the layout and design of your store. If you're using a different theme, some functionality may be different here. This is the standard theme layout out of the Sandbox Turbo theme provides us. The left side will display all of the sections, header, footer, theme settings, and menus that are on your store. In the sections, you can simply hover over each item to hide or remove them. Hover over the section Featured Promotions. To hide this section, simply click on the eye icon. This is temporarily hidden but not removed. To remove this section, go to the right side and at the bottom press Remove section here. On the very top drop-down menu, you can navigate between all different templates that are on your store, including pages, products, and more. On the right side will display shortcuts. When you click on a section, additional changes can be made here. Click Header on the left side, and additional information may now be added on the right side menu. The announcement bar is displayed on the top as seen by this text here. Simply delete this and change out this text. This will update in real time. There is a ton of other information you can update here, but this is just a general overview video. Clicking on different sections will change the items on the right that can be changed like this. The bottom section is your footer menu. This is a good spot to put company information, legal pages, contact us information, social media profiles, and basic website navigation. A lot of this will be created in the menu section on the Shopify dashboard and not here. Under theme settings, there's a ton of information you can browse through and change. You can change fonts, colors, and much more. In later videos, we will demonstrate adding all information here. Click Exit on the top left, and we will now add our first product. Click Products on the left side menu. Click on Add Product. Let's call this Short Sleeve T-shirt. I will drag in a few images I downloaded from Envato. Let's give this a very basic description called Loose Fit T-shirt. If you're creating a brand, you obviously want high quality images to display your products. On the right side, you can separate items by product type if you wish. Let's add product type shirts. You can change the vendor here and collections information. You can also add tags to products to easily organize everything into proper menus. Let's change this price to $20. If you know the actual cost for the products, you can add this as well. This will display your profit and margin next to the item. Compare at price is what your other competitors are selling for. You can add SKUs or SKUs for products to manage larger inventories and barcode information. Scroll down a bit and you can track the total quantity, and this will subtract items as they sell. You can also keep selling while out of stock, but make sure you have a lot of products upcoming if this option is chosen. You can add the weight of products to calculate shipping costs automatically through Shopify. Customs information is also displayed here for certain products. Variants will be an important section, especially when selling clothing. You can add size, colors, cost differences, etc. Let's add small, medium, large, extra large, and double XL. Separate each word with commas to add each variant. Scroll down and you can change the total items available in the SKUs or SKUs and the prices. Click on Save. On the top right, you can click Preview. This will take you to the actual store page for the product. Keep in mind, this is still under draft as shown here. You can change the status to active when you're ready to publish. As you can see, this is very bland, but you can see adding your products to your store is fairly simple. However, it is fairly time consuming when you are creating large stores. You can add to cart, view cart, and checkout. In later and more advanced videos, we can show you how you can manage all of this information automatically with third-party applications. That's it for today's video. In our next video, we'll be going over collections, adding tags to products, and heading back into the editor to Designer Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on if you like these videos. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.